Hello and good morning everyone. Today we will start the question number 11. Okay, let's do. Here in this question 5 to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 0. So what is the value of power 0? So you know this x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So you know this rule, this exponent law. So here also same thing. Any uh, any number which has power 0 is 1. So this is 1, this is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the value of this question. So here in this question you have to find the values. That means you have to calculate. So let's do B number. So in B number you can see these two powers are there. So you know the law that when there are two powers then it will be multiplied. So x to the power a into b is what? Like this. So here also you do like this. So minus 3 by 5 to the power 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is what? 6. So minus 3 by 5 to the power 6. Now you have to expand this number. Expand means in this way minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So how many times? 3 and this 3. And here 5 you have to multiply this 6 times. Okay. So after multiplying all these 3 it is coming 729, and after multiplying 5 it is coming 15625. Okay. So why it is positive? Because there are or even number of negative sign 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is why it will be positive sign. Okay. Now let's do C number. So here what you do, first of all you solve the bracket. Okay, inside bracket whatever is there. So 6 to the power 0 is 1 and it is 17. Okay, divide by 2 to the power 5. So it is what 1 plus 17 is 18, divide by 2 to the power 5. So now you have to expand this 2 to the power 5. So when you expand it, that means you have to multiply it 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. So it is coming 18 divided by 32. So 18 divided by 32. Now you cannot divide this, so you will write this in fraction, because fraction is also a divide. So 18 by 25, 18 divided by 25, sorry 32. So you can cut it now. 2 9 ja 18 and 2 16. Okay, so the answer is 9 by 16. So this is the solution of this question. Understood? Now question number D. So it is also easy. You have to reciprocal it to make it in positive power. So it will be 1 by 4 and it will be 1 by 5. Then you will plus it, then divide it. Okay, you doing this in homework. E number also homework. You have to multiply the powers here. Let's do F number. So this F number question, it is looking complicated but it's very easy. So here you can see this base number and this is the power. So powers will multiply. Here also same thing and power multiply. So what you do, 3 by 4, 2 into 4, powers will be multiplied. Here 3 by 4, 4 into 2. Okay, like this you will multiply the powers. Then 3 by 4 power 2 4 is 8 and divide 3 by 4 power here also 8. So same power here also coming. Now you know that when there is same base, then the base are same and their divide form, then the powers are subtracted. So write down here 3 by 4 this base and subtract the powers 8 minus 8. So what is the answer now? 3 by 4, 8 minus 8 is 0. So anything to the power 0 is what? 1. See, the answer is 1. So big question, but the answer is very small, 1. Understood? So in this way you have to apply the laws of exponent. Now question number 12. Here you have to find the values of x. Okay, see here in the power x is given, here also power x is given, so you have to find the value of x. So this 12 number A, minus 2 by 5, here also minus 2 by 5, here also minus 2 by 5. Here you can see the base are same. So we got the idea that the base are same, and when base are same and they are in multiplied form, then the powers will be added. So you know this formula, this law of exponent. So let's start this. So here this sign, then minus 2 by 5, and here you have to add the powers, 8 plus 4, and here in the RHS side write as it is whatever given to the power x minus 1. So x is in the power. So now minus 2 by 5, 8 plus 4 is 12, and again here write minus 2 by 5 x minus 1. Then what happened? I told you in the example I have shown you in this book that when the base are same, okay, you can see the base are same on both the sides, LHS and RHS. When the bases are same, then the powers are also same. So that means these are equal, then no need to write the base now. You can write the powers in the LHS and RHS. That means they are cancelled out. So do not cancel like this. So write down the powers. When the bases are same, the powers are also equal. So you can write the powers now here. 12 equal to x minus 1. So now you know this minus 1 will go there, 12, it will become plus 1, it is x. Now it is coming 13. So value of x is what? 13. Okay, in this way you have to find the value of x. Okay, so this is the technique of doing this question. Now see question number B. So here 5 by 9 base is same, but here it is having different fraction. No base are same, not same. So what you do, first of all, do this operation. First of all, base are same and they are in divide form. That means the powers will be subtracted. So 5 by 9, it is 12 minus x. Okay, like this. Now write down this 125 base 7 to 9. Then what will be here? Here, how to bring this RHS in the same base? How to find? So the rule is that when the base is given in any one side, then this in the other side also the base will be the same. Okay, it is in every question it will be same. Okay, that means here 5 by 9 base is given, then here also it will be 5 by 9, otherwise the question will be not possible. Okay, it cannot be solved. So here 5 by 9, that means here also the base will come out as 5 by 9. But the thing is that you have to find out the power here. What power will be here you have to write 2, 3, 4, what it is. That means you have to try by multiplying. So you have to try by multiplying 5 by 2 times, 3 times. Okay, 9 also 2 times, 3 times. That means you have to multiply with the same power. That means if you multiply the 5 2 times, that means this, then 5 into 5 it is coming as 25. So it is not coming. If you give power as 3, that means 5 into 5 into 5, it is coming 125. Okay, that means when you multiply 5 3 times, then it is coming 125. And again try with 9 also. Okay, so 9 power 3, so 9 into 9 into 9, so 9 9 is 81, and 81 into 9 is 729. That means when you multiply 9 also 3 times, it is coming 729. So what it means, the power will be 3 here. So common power should be written here. So here you will write 3. So understood the concept? That means when one side base is given, the other side base will also same. The only thing you have to identify, you have to find out how many times it will be multiplied. That means what is the power you have to find out. So now the question is simple. So when base are same on both sides, then the power is also same. So here you write the power 12 minus x equal to 3. Okay, so now this x will go that side to make it positive, and 3 will come this side. So 3 will become negative and x will become positive here. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So value of x is what? 9. In this way you have to find out. So this question is little tricky because you have to find out this power. Okay, so C number will be your homework. Okay, let's see D number. Here you can see minus 3 by 4 to the power x, and it is minus 3 by 4 here also, minus 3 by 4 here also. That means the base are same here. Now what to do? When the base are same and they are in divide form, then the powers will be subtracted. So here it will remain as it is. Here write down minus 3 by 4 to the power 8 minus 2. So here minus 3 by 4 again, minus 3 by 4, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now when the base are same, the powers will be also same, then x equal to 6. So no need to do anything here more, because it is direct given. So base are same, that means power are also same, so x equal to 6. Understood? So in this way you have to find the solutions of this type of questions. So in this way this chapter of exponent is over. So do the homework of this C number and this D and E. Okay, so I think you have understood the chapter properly. So if you have any doubt in this chapter, in this exercise, then please ask me. Okay, thank you.